Okay, great. All right, good afternoon and good morning in some places. Thank you for coming in on time, and I'm really happy to share with you what I've discovered a few months ago, which is the building a website for free with Canva, right? Oh, one more person coming in. Okay, so with that, please take note as well. All this what I'm going to show you here today, everything is free. Okay. Right. So let me see. Let's start this sharing proper. All right. So everything today, I'm gonna use Canva. Okay. I'm not gonna use PowerPoint or anything like that. So everything in Canva, and Canva has been around for so long already, and a few people in this world are already using or shifted into Canva rather than PowerPoint. Okay, maybe some of you are already trying and exploring Canva, but you do not know about this website building function. Okay. So a little bit about myself. Who am I? I have 18 years experience in the print and digital services industry space. Okay, and I've worked with all these brands on the left side, and now at this current moment, I'm working with Rico Singapore. And then I have 9 years in product marketing actually, and I've trained all these images at the back is all from one company, which is Canon Singapore. Okay, so of course, the question here is what is Canva and how it began? Well, there's this lady in Australia, Melanie Perkins. She started to have this idea of, Adobe Illustrative and all these Photoshops are getting expensive, licenses are getting expensive. She wants to help students and all these people. So what her main role here or her main mission is to empower anyone to use a design platform. So she created this company Canva, and it took her many investors to go through. Right. So for me myself, why I go through Canva and why I choose Canva, I use a lot of PowerPoint, maybe about 10 years ago, right? And then when I discovered Canva, it was not that popular, but I explored. And what I used to do in my PowerPoint are image stocks, which we can find in Pexels as well as Unsplash for those free royalty image stocks. And for websites, I use Wix before, and I wanted to change that, and I was exploring some areas of free web hosting. It was a challenge for me to move from Wix to somewhere else because I don't know how to do this. And then there's this business card that I wanted to do, which I will show you later. Right, so for today's demo, we are using Canva for free. If you are interested in the pricing of Canva right now, you can scan this code. I'll just give you a moment. While you're scanning this code, you can look at the price. For today, just take notes. For those of you who are not on your desktop or laptop and you can't toggle through and you can't follow me, just write down whatever that you think is useful for you in the future. And also, those of you who are following me, please go to canva.com now, log in to your free account. So you can use your Google, you can use your mobile phone. There's a lot of connectors to the signing in or sign up. And of course, here again, free version. So if as today you register for today, they will give you, I think, about 14 days or 30 days free. But you need to register with your credit card first, and then they will not charge you until your free trial has ended. Okay. Right. So let's begin the demonstration. This is how it looks like, right? And the canvas is like that. So let me just go through the steps first. The first step, of course, is to create the design on top here. All right. I'll go through this briefly first, then I'll show the live demonstration after this. And then step number 2 is to find this word website. Okay, website. Here also got another one. And then website, once you find you click create design websites, you can see all the templates here. All right. Okay. And then this one we will go through later on. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. Okay. So by now you should be ready. Let's begin by creating, once you log in, you can see this is your face or your profile is here. Your settings are here. And then this is the home. So first things off is you need to click on create design. Okay, create design. So click on that one, and then you will see this interface. So by default, I already put my, it will follow the last thing that you did. And here you can see you already jumped through websites. You can use Canva for documents, whiteboards. I use this for presentations as well. Social media, there's a lot of sizes, videos and all this, right? I also use for videos at the same time. So for those of you who wants to do LinkedIn videos, TikToks, you can use Canva for free as well. I'll show you why people are paying later on. But today we want to focus on websites. So let's just take a look on the free templates that's already here. Maybe we want to do a bio link website. Let's try. Let's click on that one. Okay, so instantly it will show you the correct or perfect size for your website. It's in white in color. And then from here, you can choose your templates. Okay, so here it becomes a design. Okay, don't be confused, because sometimes you might click on the 3 lines at the top left hand corner, and once you click on that one, it expanded and become like, oh, do you want to go create another design or not? So don't panic. So just click on close, and then you go back to your canvas here. Okay, so from here you just click on design first. Khalid, where's the template? Okay, the templates are here. All right, so all the bio link website templates are here. Maybe I want to choose, for example, oh, this is nice, huh? Oh, this is so cool. All right, done. All right, so this is the Indonesian template that someone already, a creator of Canva already prepared as a template. So maybe I change my name here, right? And then also change my name here. So if you really like the font and the colors, you don't have to do so much, you see. So here is book a date with me, maybe book a discovery call with me. See? So you don't have to really design, it's already there. The template is already there. So very interesting. So learn from me. That's what she said here. Okay. And then here, okay, examples. And then here is the this where you can add page. So when you scroll down, right, on your website, you will change. So here you can change the, let me see if I can have uploads here. Data image. There. I can just drag. Bingo. Done. As simple as that. Maybe I don't like this. This one very girly, right? So I'm a guy. So I want to change that to maybe just search for the word strong. And what we see here is all the elements or the graphics, the photos and videos. So I want to choose maybe a simple, oh, okay. Okay. Then maybe it's like, oh, cannot see lah, Khalid, can I flip this? Yes, you can, it's over here. All right, so just flip it around. Very simple, look at that. Done. Okay, done. This is my BioLink website. Okay, this is done. So what happens here is the second page is here, right? So maybe the first one is book discovery call with me. And some of you are already aware of this website, Calendly, all right? So Calendly actually shares calendars with your a person out there. So I just click share. Let me see. There is an ad website here. You see? Let me see. I think it's this one here. Yeah, so I copy code. Let me see. Forgot. Should be this one. I copy this link. Okay. So what I do next is here. I go back here. So my second page should be my booking of calendars to show my clients when I'm free to meet them. So what you do is you just go to apps. Okay. Take note of this. This is very important thing here. Just go to apps and look for the word embedded. Embed. Okay. Embed. So choose this logo here. You can screenshot this. You can take a picture here. Go ahead. So what does it do? On your page here, I click on add to design. It will embed the whole page for me. Okay, that you don't have to pay a designer to do this for you. Right? Yeah. Okay. So here, who designed this? Is Calendly lah, basically. It's the same thing, right? Right. So these are the dates. Maybe some of you already have Google Suite. You can paste it here. Find that embedded code or URL, and then find and use this embed app within our Canva here. Okay, apps. Okay, under apps. Right. So maybe you want to put some text. Okay, where is text? Text is here. Then change the heading to book me. Okay, book me. Example lah. And then all the copywriting, just use ChatGPT and then do that copywriting for you. Okay. Right. None. Okay. So what's next? So let's say now I'm ready with my website. Maybe I want to change this color to yellow. Okay. This color also change to maybe purple. And then the font I change to white. Okay. More pop. All right. So you can preview. Okay. So once you're ready, you want to preview, click on preview here. And in this preview panel, you can actually toggle from someone who is looking at it at a desktop view, as well as someone who is on the go on a mobile view. Look at that. Everything already resized for you. Okay, so that is the wonderful thing about Canva building a website for free. Okay, so I close that. So Halil, what's next? So next is to publish this. Okay, next is to publish this. And how to publish this? Very simple. The button is there. Just publish website on the right side. And then remember to click on resize on mobile. This is very important, okay? Very important. And then it's usually by default. And you can see here my website URL. Now, as free users, you can create 5 URLs. Yeah, that is where people pay Canva to have more than one website. Okay, but that is just websites, not the pages. So in terms of pages, you can make it as long as possible. You see, I can create a lot of pages here. Already have 10 pages. Okay, and then maybe if I want to make another, in page number 3, I want to do this. Page number 4, I want to put this. Page number 5, I put this. Apply all 9 pages. No. Okay. And then page 6, and so on all the way to 10. So you have 10 pages. Now, how will you look like if it's 10 pages on a phone? It will be very, very long lah. Okay, very, very long. Like that. Okay. So that is how it looks like. Okay. So if any questions, please put in the chat. No problem. Let me see. No questions. That's good. Okay. And then, so what we'll do now is we can't publish this, but I already have one website here that already published. Okay. And let's say you already click on publish, and then you can change the URL on, you can only change the URL once. Okay. Other than that, right, the second URL, right, it will follow the main domain name that you chose, which is in my case is techsavvy.my.canva.site, and then there's a slash. Then across the slash, it says NR, normal people. This is the website that I want to use. This normal people is actually from the top here lah, or I can always change here. Okay. All right. So then after that, the best part here is it can be set as SEO driven, which means if somebody Google your name, this website might come out at the top 10 results. In here, advanced settings, nobody teach us this, right? So there is this item here, search engine visibility is enabled. So I enable that because I want the SEO or the crawlers on the internet to find my name and place on the results search, right? So you switch on that one. By default, it's already on. And then here is link preview is disabled. What is this? So let's see. If you switch off, it is enabled. That means it should look like this. Choose how your link will appear when shared on social media platforms. So if you put a shortcut link to a post, it will open up like this as a preview, right, in your post. So now I want it to be enabled, so I switch off. Okay, I switch off. Now if my bio link, I don't want people to search for me, I switch off the SEO, so search engine. Okay, but in this case, this business here is my main page, and there's no PDPA items here, so I allow it to search me on the internet. Okay, then you can put your description here. Here again is all these 160 characters based on your SEO, how you want people to find you, right? So then once already, so remember, always go to advanced settings if you want it to be more visible when people search for you, and then just publish website. For me, I already published, so I republish this website. Okay. So when I publish website, it takes a few minutes only. In fact, it's only a few seconds lah. Right? Okay, confetti all going on. So let's go and visit this website. There we go. So this is the interface for a desktop. It looks like this. Okay, right? But of course, you see, I also put a video here, everything on Canva. This is a video 1, 2, 3. The other 3 is images. Okay. Then I also embed my calendar. I make it very, very small. So purposely, I make people life hard. And then here I put a YouTube short, you know, and then here I put my Instagram story, right? My post. Okay, you can embed all these links and make a preview and make your whole website looks very professional, right? And look at this. There is this video, very nice video, you know, if you're into a boat scenery, selling boats as visuals, you can put this like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to my deck. Okay. So at this moment, I want to take a pause and see if there is any questions. Maybe I'll allow you guys to. Oh, somebody raised their hand. Is that? Somebody raised their hand. Oh, not yet. Okay, okay. Let me just enable you to. Where are you? Okay. Okay. I think somebody just lowered their hand. Oh, that was me. Okay. Okay, you can turn on your mic if you have any questions at any time. If you want to turn on your video, go ahead. I already enabled that. I think, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, allow to unmute.
Thanks,
Yes.
Khalid.
Hey, Wilson.
Hey, hi. I'm not so sure, but I think my chat is still disabled.
Oh, chat is disabled.
Correct.
Yeah, same for me.
Yeah,
Ayo, let me see.
no problem.
Oh, yeah. Chat is disabled lah. Okay. Any questions? Anyway, I enable everything.
So far, so good. So far, so good.
Okay.
Thanks.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Kelvin, are you there? Any questions from you, Kelvin? Paul?
All good. Very clear.
Oh, very clear. Okay, yeah. So you can see, yeah. Question.
Yeah.
Wing.
So for this website, if I want to, I don't want to, because I have my own domain names. Yeah.
Can.
So I don't want to use canva.com then. So is it possible?
Okay, I show you. Where is it? Let me see. Where are you? Okay. Okay, good question there. What if you already have a domain name and you already paid for it lah? Right. So this is my website here. Close. Okay, I edit the design because I already published it. Right. So when you click on publish, right, there is a pencil here, get new domain. Where ada? Connect your domain from a third party. This one need pro version. Connect your domain from a third party. So that is what you mean now. You already have a domain and it's by a third party. So that means you just have to link it from here.
So that means no more free versions if I use the
Yes, correct. Because you
Okay.
can see, you can see the crown there lah, the crown. Yep. Then
Hello,
when
Ali.
you,
Yeah.
yep.
To add on the question, so I'm
Mm.
Bosco here. Thanks for sharing.
Bosco, yes.
You mean if it's no longer free, right? After we finish designing it, we don't have to continuously pay for it to run after we are done with the designing, right?
Oh, good question. Yes, you are right, Bosco. So at the point of before you publish, right, you already paid, right, Bosco? And then suddenly you cancel. So the moment you cancel, right, the next time you republish, all your elements which is paid for, it will have a watermark. It happened to me. Yeah, so
so you
I
need
had
to
a Canva Pro. Yeah.
Got it. So you need to constantly pay for it to sustain the design
If you
that is
edit,
already done.
if you re-edit again. So if you think your design can last maybe 6 months, 1 year, you just pay once. If you're that confident.
Okay, but if we actually have the watermark already, right? Then we pay again. Does it go away or it end up more troublesome to do something?
So when you create ready, when you at the point of creation, you are a pro user and you have all the graphics, very nice graphics, all paid for. When you publish, you don't, and then when you publish, you don't edit again. Okay, because at that point, when you edit, you need to go back to pro again. You know what I mean? So let's say now in January, I publish this as a pro version, right? Then I never touch for 6 months. Okay, I never touch for 6 months and I never pay for 6 months after that. It's still ongoing. Your watermarks, there will be no watermarks because you paid at that point. You publish at that point.
Understand. So upon publishing lah, well, unless you need to change again, you just pay again before you publish. That's it, right? Because we actually have this free trial period, so we can even indirectly just use for free and end up publish already just
Correct.
okay.
Yes.
Can,
You're
thank you.
right. Correct.
Okay,
It
now I
happened
got
to me.
got it. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
I got another question now. So
Yeah.
now my current website, right? There's some bugs already. It's on WordPress.
Mm.
So I'm wondering, do you happen to know if it does integrate with WordPress? So I can still use my existing apps that are attached with WordPress,
This one
but still
cannot.
change the outlook.
So I'm not. I've never used WordPress before. Like I say, I'm an average person who just stumble upon this, and there is no integration. I don't see that integration button anywhere. Yeah. So the objective of having Canva opening up an app for building a website is really for the average person, not the advanced users lah. So this one I can check for you with another expert in Canva if you want. Okay, I'll write this down somewhere. Okay.
Thank
Good
you.
question. So Bosco, you already have WordPress right now?
Yeah, now my current website is on WordPress, but it's
You want to
very
transfer?
buggy now, so I'm just not doing anything to it.
Buggy as in what?
Because it will auto force update each time. You will say, oh, congratulations, your version is updated to what, but it's actually a force update.
Right.
So the more you update and you don't update with other proper, I think, application, it will all turn out spoiled lah. So the design, like the old design won't be able to work with the new WordPress, maybe have security issues. All these will require a professional to solve it. But
Correct.
professional, they will cost a lot of money and you need to find a reliable one as well. So I didn't manage to find one. End up it's spoiled and I paid money and still
Oh
spoiled.
no.
So that's
Oh
the issue lah.
man.
So if you can actually good to learn things
Right.
ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, so okay, good. Any other questions? Simran, hello, you're here already. Okay, Simran says you can integrate the designs from Canva to
Yeah,
WordPress. No, he wants the other way around. WordPress to Canva.
WordPress to Canva. No, WordPress to Canva is not
No. Canva to WordPress, so I can still use my WordPress apps.
Yes, you can import the design, so you can create in Canva.
Ah.
You can import it using a plugin. So WordPress is a full sort of
Mm.
library where you can integrate it with various design software. So Canva is one of them.
Oh yay! Thank you,
Perfect.
Simran.
Thank you, Simran. As you know, Simran is expert in web designs
Ah.
and designs. Okay,
Uh-huh.
good. Okay, any other questions there? Don't have, okay, so what I'm going to show you now is this. Where are you? Okay, going back to the slides. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So these are sample designs without Canva. Okay. People like this person here, it looks like this. So with Canva, you can actually, design and copy this way. You see the image, not pixelated, is not high res. So in Canva, you can change that. And all these, this is basically the same. You see, you can see first page, second page, third page. It's the same. Just follow the format. Okay, and then this one, Linktree, Linktree. So last time I used Linktree, and Linktree is good because you can put all your marketing affiliates here, links on here, and it's like a call to action for your clients or your followers to go there and then click on it and make sure they click on your link so that you earn some money lah, right? Monetization, all this. But the thing is about Linktree is that it is searchable in the internet, and it's not really safe to put like your contacts here and blah blah blah, right? So there was a time where I used Linktree and I used a NFC card to go around and in networking sessions I click I tap on their phones, then they go to my Linktree straight away, and then that's where they get my number. So there are bots out there, they actually search for all these, and they got my number. Then that's why we got scammers calling because we put our numbers publicly out there to be searched. So that is where in Canva, this here again, the advanced settings is to me is very useful. Over here, search engine visibility disabled. Okay, just turn it on. This is very useful to me because I use websites for my digital business card like this. Okay, so if you're clueless what I'm talking about, I think we do have this one. This is actually a One Good Card website. No, it's not. One Good Card is ogc.link. ogc.link. I don't have it here, I don't know why. And then this website here, Juliana Chan, PhD, very famous, Find Your Superpower, a masterclass. You see, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. All this it can be done on my own DIY, right? I think that's the question here. Oh, no. Simran says just copy the HTML code when you design on Canva, we'll share. Oh, cool, right? I'd like to see. So you follow the format of how Juliana Chan does this. This is her bio link website. All right, this is a website, and I'm not sure how much she paid for it. As of today, what I'm sharing with you today is all free. You can put pictures, right? You can put pictures, you can upload. You see, very simple. You don't have to engage an expert and pay that person, a few money, $50, 100. You can save it, right? Do it yourself. Just follow from famous people's websites. You can go even Adidas, right? Look at Adidas. Of course, like this, you cannot do lah in Canva. Maybe I haven't export that because mine is very simple. And of course, Canva cannot do cards and search. Okay, it's very simple use case scenario, right? So like this, like just now I show you a video, right? When they scroll down, got visuals of video and all that. It's very interesting, right? So just If you want to get inspired how to start with your website, just go to other people's website and follow that format just by using Canva, right? Okay, so the use cases for me is to use the website as a call to action for my socials, Instagram, LinkedIn, maybe TikTok, and all this. Sometimes all these socials, they always give you a link area to place your website or learn more about me. You can put it here, right? I make it a bit more funnier here, what my kids think I do, and goes to my website. Okay. Great. And then, as I mentioned just now, was the digital networking card. How come the picture hilang? Ah, okay, it's a YouTube. Okay, so here I can put a YouTube. I put a YouTube video here. I embedded a YouTube video, right? So this networking digital card is by this famous. I would say famous because they always pay marketing ads out there. One Good Card. A lot of people use this. And I was like, why do you have to pay when you can do it with Canva? Right? And what I did was I go and pay. I bought an NFC card, a very simple blank card on Shopee. I shared this with Kelvin and some people in my networking sessions. So what I do with that card is I write with an app, either with Android or iOS. You can write with your phone into the blank card, and then you put your URL there. Okay, you don't need a very big expensive card to do this. Just a URL alone is very small, small space for it to be written into or to be read on another phone with NFC, right? And the other use case here again, if you have cards, then this is not the place for you to design your landing page or your page. Okay? So that's it. Very fast, oh. Yeah, about 30 minutes, just nice, right? So I'm open to any other questions, or maybe you want to share, like what, thanks to Simran, that's why she comes in. I need her support. So like Bosco's questions of WordPress, how to do that, there is a plugin. She mentioned there's a plugin, and just copy the HTML code and then paste it into WordPress. Oh, very interesting, huh? Yeah, just a little bit of effort lah. So that will save you money, cost, Bosco.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you can, Khalid, you can actually
Exactly.
so if you click on share, there's a option for you to embed the HTML link. So basically this code is really useful. Any kind of newsletters or any third-party websites where you're hosting it, you just need to copy the HTML code. Do you see it?
I see what?
Here, so
Oh, not save, share. Yeah, embed.
yeah, embed.
Bukan.
Yeah. Click on embed.
Click on the.
Yeah, so that can
Okay,
so you can
correct.
copy the HTML code. Yeah, it will be the same.
Yeah. So what I did with Calendly is the same lah,
Mm.
right? Yeah. Oh, good point. That's good. Yeah, where was it? Yeah, so this is what. Okay, this is what you missed just now, Simran. Yeah, the page. Yeah, I use this. So all videos. Yeah. Okay. So this is something like Nike, Adidas just now, Adidas website. Just put a video, a
Yeah.
very nice video, and this is all free, this is free account. You look at the visual, look at the quality of it. So if you want something else, I can try now with elements, elements. So under elements, we can explore videos. So videos are here. So when you see pro, don't use lah, okay? So what I did, I use these two, and then maybe for tag, I click on see all. Look at that, free here, free. You see, it's free. So what I can do is I just add another page. Oh, this is free. Look at that. If you are into maths and technology, this is free. And look at the preview. Within seconds, you have something, a very nice website. Within seconds. Okay, good. Any other questions or any challenge that you want me to try? Anyone?
Hey, Khalid, Wilson here.
Wilson, yeah.
Yeah, hey, can I just check with you? Because I haven't signed up for any pro for my
Mm,
family.
mm,
Do you have any advice on if let's say we sign
mm,
up pro, how many
mm.
user we can add for the family?
There's no plan for family.
Or don't have?
Don't
Okay.
have, only
I
one
mean, they
only.
have to use my account.
Yeah, correct.
No,
Just use
you
your
can
one.
actually use the team plan though. It will work if you
Oh, teams.
yeah. So for instance,
Yeah.
like a single
Mm,
person, you need
Mm,
to pay like around 17 SGD or USD, something like that. And then if you
okay.
get a team one, you can pay for like 45 for like 3 people. And you can just keep adding team members. Yeah, so you can maybe
yeah.
Khaled can show you.
Oh, that's nice. Thanks,
Yeah.
Siran.
Invite members.
Yeah.
Then the price will increase.
Oh, the price will increase, ah?
The
Oh,
price will
that's what
increase slowly.
I don't like, leh.
So of course lah. So I'm
Yeah,
going alone is like under $20, something like
I
that.
see.
That's the
Okay, okay.
pricing. Eh?
Anyway, it's useful. It's useful. Yeah.
Yeah, you
Thanks
see
for
this?
sharing.
So there is Canva Teams that Simran mentioned.
Ah, I
Minimum 3
see.
people, 420 per year. So if you go monthly is $42. Minimum 3 people within the team.
Mm.
Okay. So you, as a family, you don't use that lah. You just use free,
Mm.
bro. Just use free. You don't need
Yes,
to.
yes.
You have to try it out first. Then
Exactly.
if you think pro is worth it, then you go with it. Okay.
Exactly. Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Mm.
Okay, thank you.
No question, no question. Thank you. Okay. Any other question? Oh, got one more question there now. Okay. Thank you, Kelvin. All right. So I've come to the end of my sharing today. Unfortunately, I couldn't run my LinkedIn live because of some back-end issue of the server in US, I think. Yeah, so this is the price again, right? So what I'm doing now is Canva free. And if you're going alone, is Canva Pro, right? These are all the things that you can use. And then like what Wilson mentioned, if you want to go with they don't call it family, call teams lah. Yeah. So for going school students, they have their own price also. Is a different price. So my kids have I think 30 days or 60 days free if they register now with their school email address. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Any questions? Mufida, are you okay?
Yep, good, all good.
Okay, can. Saf, you okay? Saf and Paul? No questions, yeah?
All good.
Okay, thank you very much. So I come to the end of my sharing. Thank you very much for your time today, taking up a little bit of your weekend. Thank you so much. If there is anything that is I'm short of, please forgive me. Right? Because I'm still an average dad that is trying this out and explore this. And I thought that there is not many classes sharing this for free, and this item alone is free. All of us need to have that growth mindset and learn. Thanks to people, my friends from Simran, Wilson, Mufida, who else? Kelvin is here. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's it. Have a good weekend. Happy New Year to my
Thank you, Khalid.
yeah. Happy New Year this year. Okay, take
Thank
care.
you,
Bye bye.
Sinran. Thank you,
Bye bye.
everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Welcome.
Bye.